To access HD weather info, click the menu button near the navigation cursor. Then, scroll and select the weather icon. In this menu, we can check the current weather, 3-day outlook, 6 to 12 hour outlook, and the full-color HD real-time weather radar. In this weather radar image, we can see that we've got some building storms to the west. As well as HD weather info, you'll also get HD real-time traffic info. On the navigation screen, you'll notice green, yellow, and red lines running parallel to active roadways. These colors represent the traffic flow in the area. Green is light, yellow is moderate, and red is heavy traffic. Not only does it show traffic in real time, but also as a future predictive map under the Traffic Incidents tab. This shows you what the traffic is likely to be like later on in the day. Alrighty guys, that's going to do it for us today. As usual, please like, share, and subscribe on all of our social media platforms, and thanks for watching guys. We'll see you around.